Hey there, welcome to our channel. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today we're diving into the world of digital marketing. If you're thinking about starting a digital marketing business, there are 5 critical things you need to know. Let's get started, shall we? First up, market demand niche. Understanding your target audience and current market trends is crucial. Make sure there's a substantial and reachable market for the services that you want to offer. Doing thorough research will set a solid foundation for your business. Now let's talk about your business model and services. Clearly define what services you will offer, whether it's the use of SEO, content marketing, or social media marketing. And don't forget about the pricing strategy that the program you will be part of will offer. It should reflect the value you provide while being competitive and attractive to potential clients. Third on the list is competitor analysis. Knowing your competition is essential. Find out their strengths and weaknesses and think about how you can differentiate yourself from them. Maybe it's through unique services, superior customer services, or innovative marketing strategies. Fourth on the list is technology and tools. Familiarize yourself with essential digital marketing tools like Google Analytics, AI, vidIQ, etc. Staying updated on the latest technological advancements can give you a competitive edge and make your campaigns more effective. Fifth, make sure you do your research and pick a program that will offer training, mentorship, and the acquisition of the necessary skills that is required. This includes areas like SEO, content creation, and data analysis. And remember, continuous learning is key in this rapidly changing field. Keep improving your skills to stay ahead. By evaluating these 5 critical factors, you can make informed decisions and set your digital marketing business up for success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on digital marketing. Or you can check out my free digital marketing and money-making resources at freedomlifebusiness.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.